Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to embed Google Calendar in Notion. First of all, we need to apply some settings to the calendar itself. So go to your Google Calendar, choose the necessary calendar and go to settings in sharing. Here on the left, find access permissions for events and check this check mark here, make available to public. Pay attention that once you make your calendar available to public, it will be visible in Google search. But if you're okay with this, just click OK and then go down the page and find the section Integrate Calendar and this embed code, copy it, go to the Notion page to which you would like to add your Google Calendar, and here type /embed, then paste your Google Calendar code and click embed link. You see, Google Calendar has appeared on the page. You may adjust it to the page using these controls. And you see also calendar modes are available here, like week, months, schedule. So you may choose whatever you want. Yes, our event is also here. Everything is in place. That's it. Thanks for watching.